Hey, we're going to do a quick little review on finding the area of parallelograms and triangles. So right over here to the side, I have both formulas written down. So parallelogram, our area is going to be the base times the height. And then triangle, remember we have to do half of the base times the height. So working right into this first one, this is a parallelogram here. Remember, our height is always straight up and down, just like how you measured at the doctor's office. The base and height forms a right. So these are my two numbers I need to use. So I'm going to plug those in to my formula for a parallelogram. So I have 15 times 5, and then right over here to the side, I'm going to actually do that. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 1 plus 2 is 7, so 75. So my area is 75 centimeters squared. All right, scrolling down here to these next ones. These are both triangles, so I've got to remember that 1/2. So I'm looking for my right angle again on this first one. The base and height forms a right. So there's my two numbers. I'm going to plug them into my formula first. My base is 10, my height is 12. Remember, I always say I like to multiply these two numbers first because that makes it a lot easier on us, because I know that 10 times 12 is 120. So then if I do a half of 120, I get 60 meters squared. So that's our formula of that triangle. The second one, the exact same way. I've got my base and height forming a right angle right here. So I'm going to plug those into my formula. 41 and 20.5. Then I'm going to multiply those over here. So 20.5 times 41. This first number is a 1. Oops. So I can just multiply it all out. So I get 5, 0, 2. Add my 0, and then I get 20, 2, and then 8. So when I add those up, I get 84, 0, 5, and I have one decimal. So I get 840.5, but remember, I have this half. So 840.5 divided by 2, I get 4, 2. 0, and then 2 goes into 5 twice. And then with that 10, it's going to go in there 5 times. So I get answer choice A. Make sure you are not forgetting that 1/2 on any triangle. Make sure also that on parallelograms that you're not dividing by 2. Make sure you're using the right formula. Make sure you plugged it in, and then just follow the formula from there.